What if I told you there's a pill, discovered on a remote island, that scientists are calling one of the most promising anti-aging drugs ever found? And no, this isn't the plot of a new sci-fi movie. This is the real-life story of rapamycin. Picture this, it's the 1960s. A team of scientists is on an expedition to Easter Island. You know, the place with the giant stone heads. They're collecting soil samples, looking for new bacteria that could produce life-saving medicines. In one of those samples, they find something extraordinary. A bacterium that produces a compound they name rapamycin, after the island's native name, Rapa Nui. Initially, they thought they'd found a new antifungal agent, and it worked great for that. But then they discovered it had another, much more powerful effect. It was an incredible immunosuppressant. This discovery was a game changer. By the late 90s, rapamycin, under the brand name Rapamune, was being used to prevent organ rejection in transplant patients. It literally saved lives by telling the body's immune system to calm down and accept the new organ. But the story gets even crazier. Scientists, being the curious people they are, kept studying rapamycin, and they noticed something weird. The animals in their lab studies being given this drug weren't just accepting transplants, they were living longer, a lot longer. They dug deeper and found that rapamycin works by inhibiting a protein in our cells called mTOR, which stands for mechanistic target of rapamycin. Think of mTOR as the master growth switch in your body. When you're young, it's on full blast, telling your cells to grow, divide, and multiply. But as we get older, having that switch stuck in the on position can actually accelerate aging-related damage. Rapamycin essentially flips that switch to off. It tricks the body into thinking it's in a state of fasting or calorie restriction, which we already know is one of the most proven ways to extend lifespan in animals. By inhibiting mTOR, it kicks off a cellular spring cleaning process called autophagy, where your cells clear out old, damaged parts. The result? In study after study, from yeast to worms to mice, rapamycin has been shown to extend lifespan by up to 30%. It also seems to delay the onset of age-related diseases like cancer, heart disease, and even Alzheimer's. So the million-dollar question, can we start taking it to live to 150? Well, hold on. Remember, it's a powerful immunosuppressant. Taking it without a doctor's supervision could make you vulnerable to infections, but the research is exploding. Scientists are now testing low-dose intermittent schedules in humans, and even our pets, to see if we can get the anti-aging benefits without the side effects. From a pinch of dirt on Easter Island to the forefront of longevity science, rapamycin is a testament to how the next big breakthrough can come from the most unexpected of places. It's not the fountain of youth just yet, but it might be the closest thing science has found to a user's manual for slowing down the clock.